Hello everybody, welcome to the JB Watercraft channel. As many of you will know, I've been developing a new rig and a new seating layout for the Unicat sail. Today I'm going to test it out for the very first time and I'm bringing you along for the ride. There was very little wind on test day, but I could see that every now and then there was a little bit of a gust out towards the middle of the lake. With this in mind, I decided to row out to the middle and wait for some wind. It's surprisingly easy to row the Unicat, even with the sail up and the seat infills in place. Waiting was exactly what I ended up doing. And waiting. And waiting some more, just for good measure. Eventually, a slight breeze did come in from the southwest, and I was amazed at how easily the Unicat started to accelerate in even the slightest little bit of breeze. This particular Unicat used to have a junk rig. With that rig, it would have been pointless even trying to sail in conditions like this, it was so underpowered. The new rig is a balanced lug rig. This carries about 25% more sail area than the old junk rig, and you can really feel that. Despite the increase in sail area, the new sail has a much higher boom, which combined with the new seat infills makes this a much more comfortable boat to sail for extended periods. These balanced lug rigs make a lot of sense for a small boat like this. They're simple, affordable, easy to sail, and they really have great performance too. I was also very impressed with how high the boat can point with the new rig, as well as how easily it can tack now. With the junk rig, it was very hard to tack in light winds. Even on a glassy calm day like this one, with no more than 5 knots of wind, the Unicat moved along really easily and accelerated quickly in the gusts. Unfortunately, during the windiest part of the whole day, my camera lens decided to fog up. But then it was only about 11 degrees Celsius, so it's not entirely surprising. I went back to shore and was starting to pack up the boat when a shower of rain came through, bringing with it an increase in the wind speed. I decided to head back out for another go. Unfortunately, by the time I got the boat back in the water and got the sail up, the increased wind was all but over. I'm really looking forward to trying this boat out in a bit more wind. I think it's going to be a real blast to sail. And don't worry, when I do get some more wind, I'll definitely be taking you along for the ride again. If you are thinking of building one of these boats for yourself, stay tuned onto my channel and to my website jbwatercraft.com. This year will mark 10 years since I designed the Unicat, so to celebrate, I'll be releasing a revised version of the plan, including all of the upgrades you've just seen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon, hopefully with a bit more wind next time.